In this module, we'll show you how iGPS also enables you to do more long-term degree planning. You can use the multi-semester view to search for and plug classes into future semesters beyond the current term. To find those future courses and a recommended sequencing for when to take them, you should utilize the degree maps. Degree maps give you a potential 4-year vision for your major pathway. You can find the link to degree maps at the top of most iGPS pages. Once you're there, select the correct campus, school, and major. You can also further filter by selecting the term in which you began your coursework at IUB and by searching for specific majors using the keyword search bar. Let's say you're interested in the School of Informatics and Computing but want to see degree maps for all potential majors in that school. Simply select School of Informatics and Computing under School and hit search. Each option appears below, complete with multiple degree map options. For instance, if you select Informatics BS-Business, you'll be taken to a sample 4-year plan for the Informatics major in a business cognate. As you can now see, the degree map is divided into a 4-year, 2-semester sequence. Each term features potential courses or requirement areas that students in a given major commonly pursue. You'll see that certain courses are labeled with a red C. Those are deemed critical courses for the major. Depending on the course, Degree Maps also provides the minimum grade required, the number of credits earned by the course, and the requirements fulfilled by the course. If you click the arrow on the far right side, you'll see more details about the requirement and the courses that can be taken to fulfill it. For example, if you select Introduction to Informatics, you'll learn that it must be completed to be admitted into the school and that the course number is Info I-101. From there, you can check the box on the left to add it to a particular semester in your planner or click View Courses to see all the options available before you add it to a plan. It's crucial to know that degree maps offer a possible version of a given semester, school year, or 4-year plan. Students take different paths to and through their major. Therefore, while we encourage you to use the maps to get an idea of what is expected in your selected major, you will likely make a plan that departs slightly from the exact sequencing you see here. That's okay. Advisors are here to help you navigate the degree maps and your course planning in general.